going to cook these tomatoes down with some garlic after I mix them up and chop them a little bit in the food processor. Add a little salt, garlic, and olive oil to this pan. And I'm going to make a base sauce and put my basil in there. So I will be back later with the finished product. Hello. What I'm going to do is chop the ends off, cut them in half. These are little Roma tomatoes. Throw them into the food processor. I'm going to keep doing this, and I'll be back to you when I get it in the pot. Hey, you can hear Grandma in the background. I got some in the food processor. I'm going to have to do it in batches, and I'll get it in the big bowl here and put it in the pot. Let's see how this works out. I did not peel them. I did not blanch them. I'm just processing them so they can cook. Okay, and we'll get them in the pot. Easy to get a sharp knife. Cuisinart. What Cuisinart does for you is it makes this beautiful sauce. Well, I got the tomatoes in there. I crushed them down in the food processor. I put a little olive oil in the bottom of this pan. And then I added the tomato. I browned the garlic. I chopped a bunch of garlic, depending on how much garlic you want. And now I'm going to go out in my herb garden and pick some basil. And I'm going to throw that in. I'm going to cook it a couple of hours, cook it all down. The water out of it is nice and thick. And we're going to have it tonight maybe with some of that. Well, I got to the garden and I added a bunch of fresh basil. Of course, I washed it, dried it, and I had some frozen also. So I took a little packet out and put a lot in there. And I'm just gonna let this cook down for at least an hour or two. See you later. Oh, by the way, we tasted it. It was delicious already.